How to recover deleted photos, videos, or chats on Snapchat. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So if you want to recover all of the above, you have to follow the steps that I will show you in this video. And you will be 100% able to recover your deleted photos, videos, or chats from your Snapchat. So the first step is going to your Snapchat app. Then go to your profile, and from here you will have to go to settings from the right top corner, which is here. Then scroll down all the way to the bottom and click on My Data, which is here. Now from here, I already did this step, but you will have to add in your email or phone number, and then you will have to add your password from your account. After that, you will get to this page. Now we have to scroll down, re-enter your email address to confirm it. Then you can filter your export by date range, which is optional from here. I will just select from yesterday and then click on Submit Request from the bottom of the screen. We've received your request. We're preparing a copy of your data now. We'll email you at your email, of course, when your data is ready to download. Thanks, Team Snapchat. So, right now we will go to our Gmail just like they said. So after a few hours, you will receive an email to your email address with your data. You just have to download it, extract it, and from there you will see all of your videos, chats, photos, all that you want from your Snapchat account by just following these easy steps. So guys, if you have any questions, you can comment in the comment section down below with your thoughts, and I will make sure to answer them as quickly as possible and help you out if you have some problems. You can also like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one, and you can turn on the notification bell and you will be notified once I will post another video. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.